So I sold the Passat, a few broken connectors, the broken crank speeder hose, and for the oil dipstick. That is the only reason why the car was running like crap. Yeah, I got already a new turbo project car. It's also 1.8 turbo. Ordered all the parts already, parts on the way. I want to start to build the engine next weekend, and so the overall condition of the car is pretty rough from the outside. From the inside it looks rough, but all the interior parts are there. The owner before me was swapping a used interior in it, like black leather and all that stuff, but probably get some parts of the interior in, like carpet and something like that, but all in all, optical stuff stays like it is. It's a cheap car project, so how cheap can we actually build a big turbo car? So in this videos I tell you how I do it, what are the parts that I'm doing, and why do we increase horsepower with that parts, and I tell you the price, what I pay for the parts. I'm using just the cheapest stuff what I can ever find somewhere in the internet out there, and we put it all together and see if it runs and see if it holds or just explodes. Probably it holds a little bit. But yeah, I think it's a really interesting project, but I don't want to talk that much anymore right now, so we are going on a little shitbox porn right now. Here's the new car.